Deep beneath the ocean's surface, entire ecosystems shimmer with living light. Jellyfish pulse with ghostly blue halos. Anglerfish dangle glowing lures in the darkness. Tiny plankton transform crashing waves into rivers of neon. Across forests and wetlands, fireflies communicate through flashes of light written into their DNA. So, why are humans stuck in the dark? The answer is more surprising than you might think. Bioluminescence is the ability of living organisms to generate light through chemical reactions. Most glowing creatures rely on a molecule called luciferin and an enzyme known as luciferase. When these compounds react with oxygen, they release energy as visible light. At first glance, this seems like the ultimate superpower. But to produce light, an organism must manufacture specialized molecules, evolve dedicated cells to control illumination, and spend valuable energy maintaining the entire system. For species living in perpetual darkness, the investment is worthwhile. Deep-sea animals use light to attract mates, lure prey, camouflage themselves, and evade predators. For our ancestors, however, glowing would have created far more problems than benefits. But there's another reason: the brain's enormous energy bill. Humans are already among the most energy-demanding creatures on Earth. Although your brain accounts for only about 2% of your body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of your resting energy supply. Every second, billions of neurons exchange electrical signals, process information, store memories, and coordinate the functions that make you conscious. That energy has to come from somewhere. The idea that humans sacrificed bioluminescence to power larger brains is not literally true. Evolution does not make deliberate trades or conscious decisions. However, evolution constantly favors the most beneficial use of limited resources. For our ancestors, investing energy in enhanced cognition, social cooperation, language, and problem-solving delivered enormous survival advantages, but a glowing body did not. A more powerful brain changed everything. And here's the surprising truth: humans already emit light. Despite appearances, humans are not completely dark. Your cells naturally produce tiny amounts of light during normal metabolic processes. These ultra-weak emissions, known as biophotons, occur when molecules release small bursts of energy. The glow is real, but it is thousands of times too faint for the human eye to detect. So, could we ever become bioluminescent? The biological ingredients for visible light exist throughout nature, and scientists have successfully transferred bioluminescent genes into plants, bacteria, and laboratory animals. In theory, future genetic engineering could create glowing human tissues.